Hey, it's Bortone and welcome back to our series on your video questions answered. We're looking at the who, what, when, where, how of video this week. And we've already talked about who your video is for, not how. We've already talked about who, what, and when. Now we're going to talk about where. Where should you post your video? Obviously this matters quite a bit because you want people to see your video. So think about where your audience hangs out. Are they on Facebook? Is it more of a corporate crowd on LinkedIn? Are they binge watching YouTube videos, or maybe they're on Instagram? So think about where your target market hangs out and start with that. And you don't have to limit yourself to just one. Typically what I do is I post my video on YouTube because that's sort of the 800-pound gorilla of video hosting sites. And then I'll also post it on Facebook because I get a lot of engagement there. And I may also post it on LinkedIn. If I'm feeling really ambitious, I might go over to Pinterest and Twitter and things like that. But for the most part, you're going to have 2 or 3 key platforms, and that's where you want to post your videos. That's the where of video. Tomorrow, we'll look at the all-important how of video. So tune in then, and we'll see you then. Bye for now.